Beta, good morning, all of you, beta. So we have completed up to question number 21 yesterday. ठीक है, but some yesterday, but picture was not clear. So just I will try to solve some questions which I have solved yesterday also. But further, I am doing last three questions. After that, I will try to solve those questions which I have done yesterday. ठीक है? 22 22nd क्वेश्चन है 3 to the power 2n plus 1, 3 to the power 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 8. तो यानी कि it will be in the form of 8 lambda, है ना? If we have to prove that it is divisible by 8, it means 8 must be a common factor. It must be a factor. Then it be in the form of 8 into lambda. Lambda value of the lambda may be any one, two, three, any whole number. Suppose first of all we are checking for n equal to 1. N equal to 1 के लिए if we put the value of n is equal to equal to 8 lambda, ठीक है, we are giving the names of this equation 1. By using this equation, we will try to prove that for n equal to m plus 1. If we put here n equal to m plus 1, we will get to m plus 1 plus 2 minus 8m. Yeah, either we can, first of all, we have given the name here, one equation, one here, but it will be better because we have to convert this term. We can give the name here 3 to the power 2m plus 2 equal to 8 lambda plus 8m plus 9. Yesterday also we did in this way. We gave the name here. Okay. By shifting the other terms to the right side, we are giving the name here, equation number 1. Now we are proving for n equal to m plus 1, n equal to ठीक है. So for proving this one equal to 3 to the power, we are writing here 2m plus 2. This 2 we are taking here. And 3 to the power 2 into 1. Yeah, this 2 we are taking here. 2m plus 2. Or 3 to the power 2 we are leaving here. Yani it will be equal to 9. Here it is equal to minus 8m minus 8 minus 9. So we can 3 to the power 2m plus 2 from equation 1 we can shift this term equal to 8 lambda plus 8m plus 9, ठीक है, into 9, 3 to the power 2 9। ये हमने क्या किया है, 3 to the power 2m plus 2 की वैल्यू यहाँ से यहाँ पर पुट कर ली, ठीक है। और ये जो 3 to the power 9 था, ये ब्रैकेट के बाहर we have to multiply with all the terms. The remaining terms we are writing here minus 8m minus 70. If you multiply here 9 8 is 72 lambda, 9 8 is 72m, 9 9 is 81 minus 8m minus 70, ठीक है। 72 lambda, 72m में से 8m माइनस करते हैं, इट विल बी इक्वल टू 64m, 81 minus 17 plus 64, ठीक है। This we get. In all the terms, we are getting 8 as a common factor, so we can take common 8, ठीक है। 8 9 is 72, 8 8 is 64, 8 8 is 64 equal to 8 into lambda, यानी कि we are getting 8 as a common factor. It is a multiple of 8, so it is in the form of into 8 into lambda, ठीक है। So it is 2 4 n equal to m plus 1. Hence, by principle of mathematical induction, it is 2 4. All n belongs to m plus n belongs to n, where n is a whole number, ठीक है। कोई भी होल नंबर लेते हैं, ठीक है, ये नेचुरल नंबर लेते हैं, तो इसके लिए इट इज 2 फॉर ऑल वैल्यू। The method was same, but we have shifted these two terms because we have to use this relation. We have to put the value of this. So by for putting this value, we have shifted these two terms to right hand side. This is the different thing which we have not done earlier up to question number 19. From 20th question, we did in the same manner. Yesterday, I did these question 2021 in the same way, ठीक है। So there should not be any problem. By putting, we have multiplied 72 lambda, those were like terms, we have added or subtracted, ठीक है। After adding and subtracting, we are getting 8 as a common factor. So now this question has been completed. Now we should start the next question. So the 23rd question है 41 to the power n, 41 to the power n minus 14 to the power n is a multiple of 27. It is a multiple of 7 or divisible by 27. Both are same thing, ठीक है। Multiple of 27. If we have multiple of 27, then it will be divisible by 27 also, ठीक है। यानी कि it must be in the form of 27 into lambda, ठीक है। There no need to write the cross sign, so we can write here 27 lambda, ठीक है। First of all, we are checking for n equal to 1. For n equal to 1, if we put here 41 minus 14 equal to 27, यानी कि 27 into 1. The value of lambda here is 1 only. Now let us suppose it is 2 4 n equal to m. We are putting here n equal to m 14 to the power m, it is equal to 27 lambda. 27 lambda. So minus 14 m to the power m को we can shift to the right hand side. 41 to the power m equal to 27 lambda plus 14 to the power m. Here we are giving the name of equation, this one, equation number 1. ठीक है? Now m plus 1 equal to m plus 1. ठीक है? Now we are putting n equal to m plus 1 here. 41 to the power m plus 1 minus 14 to the power m plus 1. ठीक है? Now we will try to prove it is in the form of 27 lambda. ठीक है? तो equal to 41 to the power m into 41 minus 14 m plus 1. You can write here 14 to the power 1 m into 14. So we have shifted the power, ठीक है, in the product. One power को we are shifting to the into the product. Now we are putting the value of 14 to 1 to the power m from equation 1. 27 lambda plus 14 to the power into 41 14 to the power m यहाँ पर हमने क्या पुट किया बेटे 41 टू द पावर m की वैल्यू 27 लैम्डा प्लस 14 टू द पावर m, ये वैल्यू पुट कर ली. 41 एज इट इज रखा है. ये आपकी जो टर्म है ये भी दिस इज आल्सो एज इट इज 14 into 14 to the power m. Now we are multiplying this one. 27 into 41 lambda plus 41 47 into 41 lambda into we are multiplying 41 into 14 to the power m minus 14 into 14 to the power m. 27 into 41 lambda plus 41 means if we subtract 14 because these are the like terms. In these two terms, those are the like terms. There's a 41x minus 14x. We can subtract these two terms. We will get 27 into 14 to the power. ठीक है? इसको में we can take 27 common here. We will get 27 into 41 lambda plus 14 to the power m. So we get it is in the product of 27. So it is in the form of 27 lambda. Hence it is 2 for n equal to m plus 1. ठीक है? This we have proved by using the principle of mathematical induction. It is true for all values n belongs to m. For all n belongs to n, where n is a whole number. ठीक है? So same method we are adopting in all the questions. We are using the relation for n equal to m, but in question from 20th question to these questions, ठीक है, we are using shifting the sum term to right hand side to prove the relation n equal to m plus 1 in that form which we want to prove. ठीक है. The last question of this exercise, now we are coming here. तो मेरा 24th क्वेश्चन है. In 24th question, we have to do 2n plus 7 less than n plus 3 whole square. So first of all, we will prove for n equal to 1. So n is equal to 1, we see check for n equal to 1. So 2 plus 7, है ना? We put n is equal to 1, it will be equal to 9. If we put n is equal to 1, that will be equal to 16, which is 2. This is 2 for n equal to 1. Now let us suppose it is 2 for n equal to m plus 1. Sorry, n equal to m. के लिए we are accepting it is 2. यानी कि 2m plus 7 m plus 3 whole square. This is the equation 1. By using this equation, we will prove for n equal to m plus 1. If we put here m plus 1, so we will get 2m plus 9. है ना? If we put n की जगह, if we put m plus 1, तो 2m plus 2, 2 plus 7, 9. If we put here m plus 1, we will get m plus 4 whole square. This we have to prove. Because for proving this, we are using equation 1. So from equation 1, we are starting from equation 1. And sometimes we start from equation 1. ठीक है? In all the question, we have mostly question where we have started from the what we have to prove left hand side of the equation. But here we are starting from equation 1. 2m plus 7 is less than m square plus 9 plus 6m. Why we are using in case of inequality, wherever we have, in 3 questions we have the inequality, in question number 18th and question number 24. In these 2 questions, where we have the inequality, we started from the n equal to m. So we have to convert into 2m plus 9. So we have to add, if we add equal terms to both sides, the inequality will not change. So we are adding to both sides. ठीक है? दोनों में हमने क्या ऐड करना है? 2 we are adding both sides. If we add 2 in both sides, so 2m plus 7 plus 2 m square plus 9 plus 2 plus 6m. ठीक है? तो it will be equal to 2m plus 9 or m square plus 6m plus 11. ठीक है? But left hand side we get easily, but in right hand side we need m square of 4, यानी कि 16. But here we have 11. but you are observing this is less than part. This is a greater than part. If we add something more, it will be more greater, but not be inequality get changed. है ना? ये तो पहले से ही बड़ा है इधर वाला पार्ट, इसमें अगर हम और एट ऐड कर देंगे क्या होगा? इट विल बी मोर ग्रेटर, बट इनइक्वलिटी विल नॉट गेट चेंज. ठीक है, इनइक्वलिटी का मतलब है लेफ्ट साइड इज लेस देन, राइट साइड इज ग्रेटर देन, तो देयर विल नॉट बी एनी चेंज. ठीक है, वी नीड, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव एडेड 5 ओनली, है ना? 2 for the 8m, so we need 2m more, so we are adding 2m extra because m is a positive thing, है ना? It is not negative. If we multiply with positive number, so it will be more greater. ठीक है, so it means 2m plus 9 is less than m square plus 8m plus 16. It means it will be less than m plus 4 whole square. यही हमें प्रूव करना था. हमें जो प्रूव करना था 2m plus 9 is less than m plus 1, m plus 4 whole square. So these are the two terms we have added by ourselves. ठीक है, because in case of inequality, suppose if you are having 3 is less than 5, if you add 2 here, so inequality there will not be any change. If you add 5m, there will not be any problem if m is non-negative number. It should be positive. That's why we have added here 2m here. So inequality may will be added something. So inequality will not be get changed. So this chapter, this exercise has been completed now. Okay. So some questions which I have done yesterday, just I try to do them, because in case of internet problem, you picture was not clear. देखो बेटा, क्वेश्चन नंबर आपका 18 से जस्ट आई एम स्टार्टिंग. आई विल ट्राई टू कंप्लीट 18, 19, 20. 18 है आपका 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n is less than 1 upon 8, 2n plus 1 whole square. ठीक है, this we have to prove. So for n equal to 1, you are observing that the left hand side will be 1, the right hand side will be 1, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, square 9 upon 8. ठीक है, so 9 upon 8 is greater than 1, है ना? You will get 1 point something. So inequality is 2, 4, n equal to 1. Now let us suppose it is 2, 4, n equal to m. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 m 1 upon 8, 2m plus 1 whole square. ठीक है, 2m plus 1 whole square. This we have to prove. ठीक है, for proving this one, oh no, sorry, this is, we have assumed it is 2, 4, n equal to m. By using this relation, we will prove for n equal to m plus 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 m plus 1 less than 1 upon 8. If you put m की जगह हम m plus 1 लिखते हैं, so it will be equal to 2m plus 3 whole square. We have to prove this one. For proving this one, ठीक है, we can use this relation of equation 1. तो वी आर स्टार्टिंग, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन किया था, इन केस ऑफ इनइक्वलिटी वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, ठीक है। इन अदर क्वेश्चंस वी हैव यूज द इक्वेशन 1 लेटर, ठीक है। तो वी आर टेकिंग फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हमने क्या करना है, 1 + 2 + 3 m 1/8 2m + 1 होल स्क्वायर, ठीक है। वी हैव टेकन दिस इनइक्वलिटी, तो व्हाट वी नीड, we have to prove m + 1. So up to m we have all the terms, so we can add equal terms both sides, we will get the same inequality. So we are adding, क्या कर रहे हैं हम, adding m + 1 both sides, m + 1 both sides. तो 1 + 2 + 3 m + 1 less than, ठीक है, 1/8 2m + 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस m + 1। तो हमने क्या करना है, सिर्फ m + 1 को दोनों साइड में हमने ऐड कर दिया। आफ्टर एडिंग the left hand side we get easily, in the right hand side we have to take the LCM. If we take the LCM 8 here, you will get 4m square plus 1, 2 to the 4m plus 8m plus 8. So we add the like terms, so it will be equal to 4m square plus 12m plus 9 divided by 8. So if we divided by 8 only, ठीक है। So you are seeing it is a square of 2m plus 1, ठीक है। If we add the 8 or 1 9, 2m plus 3, sorry, 2m plus 3, it is a square of 2m plus 3, यानी कि it is equal to, here I am writing because the shortage of space, it is a square of 1/8, है ना, 1/8 this one, or 2m plus 3, 2m plus 3 whole square, ठीक है। This we have to prove, 1/8 2m plus 3 whole square, because if you open this one, so 4m square, 3 3 is 9, 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12m. So in case of these type of question, what we have done, we have added the m plus 1 here both side. After adding m plus 1, we have taken the LCM. After getting LCM, ठीक है, we get the right hand side. As we have done the last question 24th, है ना, it is more simple because in 24th question we have added some extra term also, but here we have added the equal terms both the sides. देखो बेटा, लास्ट 19th क्वेश्चन है, ये क्वेश्चन मैं और बता रहा हूँ आपको। 19 n plus 1 n plus 1 n plus 5 is a multiple of 3, यानी कि it is with must be in the form of 3 lambda. This we have to prove. So it must be in the form of 3 lambda. So first of all, for n equal to 1, if we put here 1, है ना, 1 into 2 into 6 यानी कि 12 हो गया, 3 into 4 यानी कि इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 3 into लैम्डा, यानी कि इट इज 2 4 n equal to 1. Now for m plus 1, m plus 5, ठीक है, in the form of 3 lambda, we are assuming it is 2. So we have to prove now for m equal to m plus 1, ठीक है. For n is equal to m plus 1 के लिए we have to prove, so what we have to prove, m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 6, it must be equal to in the form of 3 lambda, ठीक है. So for proving this 3 lambda, we are taking left hand side of this question equal to m plus 1 we need here, है ना, we want to use this relation. So m plus 1 को we are leaving as it is, but we are multiplying these two terms. We are getting, after multiplying, m square plus 6m plus 2m plus 12. This is m plus 1, ठीक है, m square plus ये 8m है, 8m को I am dividing into 2 parts, 5m into 3m. Why I am doing so? Because I want to use this relation m plus 1 or m plus 5, है ना, or we need m also. So here we can take common m. We can do in this way, m plus 1. If we take m common here, I will get m plus 5. If we take 3 common, we will get m plus 4. Now we are multiplying by m plus 1. If we multiply by m plus 1, so m plus 1, m plus 5. ठीक है. If we multiply by this sum, so we will get 3 m plus 1 or m plus 4. ठीक है. Now we can use this relation from equation 1. m plus 1 or m plus 5 equal to 3 lambda. If I put here 3 lambda, so it must be equal to 3 into m plus 1, m plus 4. ठीक है, m plus 1 or m plus 4. So you are seeing here, we are getting 3 as a common factor. यानी कि if we take 3 common, so 3 into lambda plus m plus 1 or m plus 4. यानी कि it is a multiple of 3. 3 we are getting common. It is a multiple of 3. यानी कि it is also into 3 into lambda 4. So this question we have done in the different way. We have split the middle term. After splitting the middle term, we get the result. ठीक है. Why we have split it? We want to use this relation. In this relation, we have m plus 1 or m plus 5 or m. So we had the here 8m. So 8m ko we have split it 5m plus 3m. After getting common, we get the relation. We put the value 3 lambda. We get 3 common as a factor. It is in the form of 3 lambda. ठीक है. Hence, it is proved. ठीक है. Thank you. Have a nice day.